It's important to note that while these herbs can offer pain relief for many people without side effects, they may not be suitable for everyone. Boom! Now, if you are taking painkillers and worried of the side effects, well, I would like to share with you several herbs that are known for their potential to relieve pain naturally. This is important because there are many of us who become addicted to prescribed drugs, and there are a lot of side effects on prescribed drugs. While I believe some of these drugs help you to address the pain almost instantly, however, the drugs may not be really fixing the root of the issues. I'm Dr. Mark Leong, a microbiologist, and I've helped thousands of people above the age of 30 to lose weight naturally in just 23 days through a very specific method called the Revival Method. As I provide you some of these commonly used herbs to relieve pain, it's important to understand there are 3 categories of pain. Number 1, tissue damage. Number 2, nerve damage. Number 3, referral pain. Referral pain is very common and often misunderstood. Now, many people have pain that's been referred from another place in their body, primarily the digestive system. Examples of conditions that may be referred as referral pain: chronic back pain, cancer pain, headaches, arthritis, post-surgery pain, rheumatoid arthritis, trauma pain. So, here are the 6 commonly used herbs for pain relief. Number 1, turmeric. Now, this golden spice contains curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory properties. It's often used to relieve arthritis pain, muscle soreness, and general inflammation in the body. Number 2, ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various types of pain, including menstrual cramps, headaches, and arthritis. It contains compounds called gingerols, which have anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. Number 3, capsaicin. Found in chili peppers, capsaicin is known for its ability to relieve pain by desensitizing nerve receptors. It's commonly used in topical creams and patches to alleviate pain from conditions like arthritis, neuropathy, and muscle strains. Number 4, white willow bark. This herb contains salicin, which is similar to the active ingredient in aspirin. It's been used for centuries as a natural pain reliever for conditions like headache, muscle pain, and osteoarthritis. Number 5, valerian root. Now, valerian root is often used as a natural remedy for pain associated with conditions like migraines, menstrual cramps, and muscle tension. It has sedative properties that can help relax muscle and alleviate pain. Number 6, arnica. Arnica is a popular herb in the homeopathic medicine, often used topically to relieve pain from bruises, sprains, and muscle soreness. It has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce swelling and pain. It's important to note that while these herbs can offer pain relief for many people without side effects, they may not be suitable for everyone. It's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before using herbal remedies, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or you are taking medications. Now, let me know by commenting in a video below if this information has helped you. And also, do let me know what are other form of contents relating to herbs that you would like for me to share in my upcoming videos. Make sure to click on the subscribe button so that you'll be posted on new remedies that I'll be sharing every week when it comes to achieving a fitter body naturally in 23 days through your food and nutrition, combining herbs into your lifestyle.